In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Notion in Windows. So let's get started. For this, just go to search and type store. We'll be having the Microsoft Store. Open it, and here in store we'll be having the search apps. Just type here Notion and hit enter. We'll be having the Notion app over here. Select it and just click on install. This is around 84 MB in size, so just be patient for a while. And once it is done, we'll be getting the open option. So if I go to search, I'll be having the Notion app. You can simply pin it to taskbar, and I'm also having the shortcut icon over here. So let me just open it. We'll be getting the Notion desktop interface like this. Just sign in and start using it. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.